Hello everyone, welcome to Gadget Rocket. It's Nishant here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your Wi-Fi connection super secure so that even after knowing the SSID and the password, the person cannot get the access without your permission. So basically there are two things you need to do. The first one is disable the SSID broadcasting, and the second one is to enabling the MAC filtering. For the first one, you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network which you wish to modify and open its web-based setup page. The address for which you can find on the router itself or from the manual, or you can also Google for the particular router. Open the setup page and it will ask for credential, the username and the password. In the most case it will be admin and admin. Enter it and click OK and it will open up the setup page. Here in the setup page you need to look for SSID broadcasting under the wireless setting menu. Once you find the SSID broadcasting option, you need to disable it, but before disabling it, you should properly remember the SSID name, because after disabling it in the Wi-Fi discovery, it won't show up your SSID. You will have to manually configure your network. After changing this setting, the router will ask for rebooting. Once you reboot, set up the network manually and come back to the setup page again. Now you need to look for the MAC filtering option. Figure out the MAC address of your device and add the MAC address of your device into the address field in the setup page itself. After this, you have two choices. Either you can allow or deny the connection to the particular MAC address. In my case, I have chose to allow, so it will let the device with a particular MAC address to connect to this particular network. Now before enabling the MAC filtering, you should add at least one MAC address of the device so that afterward you can connect and add another device's MAC address. If you don't add any MAC address and enable the filtering, then ultimately the device which are even connected will get disconnected in most of the cases, and ultimately you will have to reset the router. So please take care of that. Here I have already added the MAC address of my laptop, so even after enabling the MAC filtering, it won't disconnect my laptop. But let's see how it works on the other device whose MAC address is not mentioned in the setup page. So here I have a mobile, MAC address of which is not mentioned in the setup page, so it won't allow the access. Let's see what error message it will give. Again, the SSID is not broadcasted, so you will have to manually set up. Let me quickly set up the network and try to connect. So as you can see here, I am trying to connect to the SSID, but it is not allowing the access without giving any error message. So even if you are blocking some person's device to access the network, the person will not even get to know that what is wrong with the network. Let's try by adding the MAC address of this particular device and see how it works. So as you can see, I have mentioned the MAC address of this another device, and now I am able to connect on the second device also. That is all guys, thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget Rocket. Also follow me on the Twitter and Instagram for more update, and I have also made a Facebook group called Gadget Rocket. The links are in the description below. See ya.